Welcome to the Urban Pro Partnership Program. In this video, we will explain to you what the Urban Pro Partnership Program is and how it works. So let's begin with what the Urban Pro Partnership Program is and what you can expect from it as a member. The Urban Pro Partnership Program has been designed to offer benefits to both tutors and students. For tutors, it offers a better return on investments, lower consumption of coins, and access to the most serious students. And for students, it offers them a chance to connect with some of the top tutors and start classes with them at the earliest possible. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of being an Urban Pro tutor partner. Unlike regular tutors, tutor partners will be charged coins only when they connect with a student via a demo, a call, or a message. Also, unlike regular tutors, your coins will never expire. And since you will be charged coins only when you connect with students, you will also see lower coin consumption rates. As tutor partners, you also get the chance to earn bonus coins, which is not available to other tutors. In the Urban Pro Partnership Program, when you collect your class fee, you will be charged a flat fee of Rs 1,200 for the first 6,000 rupees and 10% of the balance amount. Now let's look at a couple of examples to understand how the transaction fee works. Let's assume that a student has to pay a fee of Rs 10,000 and he or she pays that fee in one transaction. In that case, you will be charged Rs 1,200 for the first 6,000 rupees and Rs 400 for the next 4,000 at the rate of 10% of any amount that exceeds Rs 6,000. So your total fee will be Rs 1,600 and an amount of Rs 8,400 will be credited to your account. Now let's assume that the same amount is paid to you in 4 installments. If the first 2 transactions are of Rs 2,000, then you will be charged the fee of Rs 1,200 only on the first transaction. The second transaction will not attract any transaction fee. If the third and the fourth transactions are of 3,000 rupees each, then the third transaction will attract a transaction fee of Rs 100 at 10% of 1,000 rupees, and the fourth transaction will attract a transaction fee of Rs 300 at a rate of 10% of the remaining 3,000 rupees. Now let's talk a little bit about what happens to the transaction fee. The transaction fee that is charged is returned to you in the form of bonus coins. For example, if you have paid a transaction fee of Rs 1,200, then 1,200 coins will also be added to your account. You can use these coins to respond to further inquiries or buy additional Pro Score points to outrank the competition. Basically, if you convert at the rate of at least 5%, then you will not need to purchase additional coins. However, participation in the Urban Pro Partnership Program is also subject to the adherence to our guidelines. So let's take a look at what these guidelines are. The very first guideline is do not share your phone number or ask for or receive the learner's phone number in a message, call, or demo session. This means that if at any point you ask for or receive the student's contact details during a demo session, on a call, or in a message, then you would be in violation of this guideline. The second guideline is to not miss any demos that have been booked for you. You may cancel them up to 3 hours before they start or even reschedule them. However, missing demos would be a violation of the second guideline. The third guideline is that you may only accept payments through Urban Pro Secure Pay. Accepting payments outside of Urban Pro Secure Pay would be a violation of the third guideline. Please note that we have systems in place that regularly audit all calls, messages, and demo sessions for violations of these guidelines. Violation of these guidelines could attract penalties. For the first violation, you will receive a notification and you will also be requested to comply with our guidelines. For the second violation, after due investigation, you may get suspended from the Urban Pro Partnership Program for a period of 7 days. For the third violation, after investigation, you may get suspended from the Urban Pro Partnership Program for a period of 30 days. That was an introduction to the Urban Pro Partnership Program and what it is. Now, let's take a look at how it works. When students come to Urban Pro, they are looking for the best tutors. When they find these tutors, they get the option to book a demo with them. This option is available to top tutors. Once a demo is booked, both the student and the tutor attend the demo, and the goal of the student is to get a sample of the tutor's skill and expertise, get a sample of what classes with the tutor would be like, ask the tutor any questions they may have, and if the student likes the tutor, then discuss the fee and the payments. Once the transaction is complete, the tutor can go ahead and schedule regular classes for the student. Tutors can also log into their Urban Pro account and respond to inquiries. Tutors will be able to connect with students via a demo class, a call, or a message. If demos have been booked, then tutors can click on the demo tab to see all the details of these demos. For contacting students via calls or messages, there isn't any change in the interface. However, you will see a contact button at the bottom of the screen when you click on any inquiry. To call a student, you can use the call button to connect with them. When you click on the call button, you will be shown a number to call. You must call this number using your registered mobile only. Attempting to call this number via any other mobile will not work. Once the call is connected and you have been on the line with the student for at least 30 seconds, coins will be charged for that connection. If you have connected with the student via a message, then you will be charged coins only when the student sees that message. When a student comes to Urban Pro, they get to see the tutor's profile, on which they get an option to book a demo with the tutor. On clicking on the Book Demo button, they will be shown a list of time slots at which the tutor is available for a demo. So what is a demo class? This 50-minute time slot allows them to interact and experience firsthand what studying with this tutor would be like. In order to ensure that students and parents can book demos, tutors need to ensure that their demo availability has been updated in their calendar. To update your demo availability, log into your account and click on the calendar option on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, click on the Add button in the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on Demo Availability. You will now be able to define how many students should be able to attend the demo and the days and the times at which those demos are to occur. Once you have entered all the details, click on Save Changes. Once the demo availability has been updated, it will show up on your calendar and can be changed or updated at any time. When students book demos, you can see the details by logging into your account and on the dashboard clicking on the Demos tab. Under the Demos tab, you will see 4 sub-tabs which are All, under which you will be able to see all the demos which have been booked, attended or missed. The Scheduled tab, under which you will be able to see all upcoming demos. The Attended tab, which will show you all the demos that you have attended, and the Absent tab, which will show you the demos where you or the student missed the demo. Once demos are booked, you can go to the calendar option and look for the brick red color to identify demos that have been scheduled for that date. To launch a demo class, log into your account, click on the Demos tab, and then click on Scheduled. Now, click on the demo that you want to launch, and then click on the Launch Class button. You can also launch the class from an email notification by clicking on the Launch Class button provided in the email, or you can copy the link provided under the button and paste it in a different browser to launch the class from that browser. Once the demo class is over, and if the student has agreed to classes with you, you can log into your account, click on that student, and click on the Request Payment option to send them a payment link. To schedule regular classes for the student, you can either go to the calendar or the Students tab to start scheduling classes. We recommend that you watch our video on how to schedule a class for details. Before you start your journey as a tutor partner, here are some important points you need to keep in mind. If a demo that has been booked with you falls at a time which is inconvenient for you, you can reject the demo up to 3 hours before it begins. You can also reschedule the demo after discussing it with the student. The classes will be conducted on Urban Pro via Zoom. This is how we track the number of classes that are conducted for the purposes of payments. Also, the installation of the Zoom app on your mobile device or laptop or PC is optional. To make sure that your students have a good experience, make sure that you have a good, fast, and stable internet connection, and you are using quality accessories such as headsets and digital pads and pens to enhance the professionalism in the classroom. Some of the best practices to follow are to ensure that your availability for demos is always updated to avoid potential situations where demos are booked at times when you are not available. It is also advisable to make sure that your profile has been updated with the latest information, reviews, photos, videos, and a good description to make sure that you have a rich profile. When it comes to taking classes, it is always advisable to show up at least 5 minutes before the class to ensure that you have everything you need to conduct that class. When it comes to sharing quotes with students or parents, make sure that you keep your quotes competitive and within the market standards. Also, when conducting a demo, make sure that you keep your demo sessions precise and simple. We wish you all the best on your journey as an Urban Pro tutor partner, and should you need our assistance, please feel free to write to us at support@urbanpro.com. You can also chat with our support team by launching the Urban Pro for Tutors app, clicking on the 3 lines on the top left-hand corner of the screen, clicking on Help Center, and then on the chat icon.